Hi guys, just a quick video from me to show you this project I made for the upcoming Kreadoe event that's coming this weekend, and I will be teaching short workshops there on Friday and on Sunday at the booth of Love by Gaby. And I made this cool project with a Vellum TN insert, and I used, of course, my stamps that I made for Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I used some of the planner dies from the Planner Essential collection. And I just wanted to show you what you can do with the dies and with my stamp sets in a traveler's notebook. And I really liked the vellum pages, and I made pockets out of all the pages, and then I put these tags in them. These are from the Planner Essential collection, so they are all dies, and I die cut them and put those in these pockets. These are my stamps, the mushroom stamps that I made, and I colored them with watercolor and put them in this cool pocket. It's from the Planner Essential kit as well, and these text stamps are from my stamp set. Then this page I made with the Halloween stamp set. Here are some leaves that Gaby made for me. They are little die cuts. These are my flower stamps. I made a little pocket from a craft bag. And then I wanted to show you what I made with the new hole reinforcement set. And I made this pocket, again, with a tag in it. On the back there's another craft bag with some of my stamps that I watercolored, but I just wanted some attention for this cool pocket with the reinforcers. I used the squares, and then I put holes in my vellum pages and this rope through them. So now I have this pocket, and I really think it looks really cool. Then this page, again with some watercolor paper and some modeling paste and watercolor. The girl, of course, from my stamp set as well. This is from the Christmas stamp set I did with the flowers and the branches. And then another pocket with reinforcers. This is the die from the Planner Essential set. It's actually a page, a Christmas tree page that I cut on the size of this A6 TN insert with the vellum, again with this tag in it. And then you have the background that is the die from the Christmas tree, and this girl is also in my stamp set collection. Then again I have these hole reinforcers. I really like these circles with the tiny holes in them, and I used these as well to make a pocket out of these vellum pages, and I really liked the effect. As you can see, I put my rope through these a little bit different, so I really think it's a bit of a grungy, it has a bit of a grungy feel to them, and this is another way of using them. And that's what I wanted to show you in this short video. I hope that you liked my example, so you can see what you can do with the dies and the stamps in, for example, a TN insert. And I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon next time. Bye!